EZGO TXT golf cart, 2000 model. Front axle is broken. We will be repairing, replacing front axle in this video. I have everything ready. I have a jack to lift up. I have all the tools to take this piece out. Let me show you where it's broken. If you see a crack from here, and we will remove this piece. $16mm socket. You can either have this one or a deep socket. Now these 6 bolts we removed from here. The next part we are going to remove this one, turning axle one. I have a little cotter pin on it. We need to remove and take it off. Same thing this side. Then the last one going to be like one this side and one other side. And this piece will come off. All the bolts are removed. We almost there, but I found another problem. This bolt is sticking out. And if I have to remove this one from here, I have to pull down, but this piece is on the way. There's a 3 bolts this side. I either have to remove this one or the other one, but those, the top is under the carpet. I have to hold because they keep spinning. But I tried to make access to this shock here on the top. I'm able to move a little bit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to pull out of these pieces. Let's see if we are able to. Okay, most likely. Now we will drop it. Okay, so now we have to take these pieces off. Then we will be able to remove this part out. From here, we will remove the tires, both sides, and this piece will be by itself. We're gonna try to weld, then we will put it back. If not, we can buy from Amazon. I will leave a link in description. I have found already. Now I have compared both part, holes, everything perfectly fine. We will start putting together. After confirming part is exactly the same original one, I'm ready to put it together. It's not hard. We will follow the same step in reverse, but only one thing we have to change. To install axle. Here, there is no way we can put pieces like this. Taking is easy, but putting in is not easy. So what I will do, both sides I will remove tire. Then this piece by itself, it will be a lot easier. Now let's remove those ones, then we will start putting together. So first thing, it has a cap on the wheel. Just take it off, remove one side. It's matrix, so it's 19mm. Bolts, tire is off. Same thing we're gonna do with the other one. I'll hold and use my impact to tighten. Here we go. Now we will put this piece on golf cart. The tire will be the last part. ਸਮਾਨ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ।
ਕੀ ਲੈਣਾ? ਆਹ ਇੱਕ ਆ ਆ
ਸਾਕਟ ਹੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਂਦੇ।
ਕਿਹੜੇ? ਆਹ
ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹ
चला अपने
ਉਹਦੇ ਰੰਗ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਾ ਉਹ ਕਰ ਗਏ ਉਹਨੇ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਸਪਿਨ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਦੋਂ So at this point we done with the golf cart. We put all pieces together. I will remove the jack and we will test.
कुछ देरी आ गई था तो ओ दे
At this point we have already test drive. Our golf cart is ready for ride again. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you next video with the new topic.